Ulefone has added another rugged thermal-capable phone to their portfolio. Say hello to Power Armor 19T. The 19T is designed for those who require thermal imaging or endoscope and is powered by the Helio G99 chipset. As always, the Ulefone Power Armor 19T is certified to IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810H standards. The smartphone features a durable 19,600 mAh battery which supports 66 volts charging. It also boasts a Sony 60 megapixel front camera and a triple camera setup with 180 megapixel main Samsung sensor, 5 megapixel secondary camera and a thermal camera with FLAR Lepton sensor. The Power Armor 19T comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal memory, as well as built-in 3.5mm audio jack, among other features. It feels nothing that Ulefone is currently running a giveaway for their new walkie-talkie rugged phone, the Armor 20WT as well as the Power Armor 19T. There will be a total of 50 winners with the giveaway closing on March 19, and the winners announced on the social media by following day. Ulefone then reach out via email to arrange prizes. In the next part of the video, we take a look of the official unboxing of the Power Armor 19T. So let's see.